This blasted Wi-Fi. Thank goodness I have my trusty paw reading as a backup.
Hey, Dr. Sasha, I have Sullivan here. He says he has an appointment with you.
Oh, hello, Sullivan. Yes, thank you, Nina. Oh, Sullivan, hello. It's so nice to see you. I really like your outfit.
Yeah, Dr. Fierce, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm just so stressed out about Sunday's game. I really want Andy Reid and the Chiefs to win. I don't know if I can wait until Sunday to find out who it's gonna be. Is there any way you can maybe give me some inside knowledge on who it's gonna be?
Oh, Sullivan, you don't worry your little head. I've got a way that we can look and see who will be winning this game. Right this way, Sullivan. Let's take a look at what your future holds. All right there, Sullivan, friend. Let's take a peek at what that paw holds. Poor fella, your color's a little off. You must be nervous. But you have nothing to be worried about. Your lifeline is in a place to draw true happiness. And a thrilling time is in your near future. I hope you've placed lots of money on your bets because you can plan for many, many pleasures ahead.
All right, go Chiefs!
Yeah, I'm so excited for Sunday. I feel so much better. Thank you, Dr. Fierce. Thank you.
Go Chiefs!